Hello, superstars. You're welcome to the Prince World Academy. My name is Prince Ikilowe. In this short video, I'm going to be analyzing V50 with you this morning. All right, so this is V51S rather. Now, this market is a downtrend. All right, let me use the daily time frame. This market is a downtrend. Obviously, it's a downtrend. So, when are we looking for opportunity to sell? To sell more because it's a downtrend. How do I know? The market has been doing higher high, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So when you see market behaving like this on a higher time frame, it means that you will trade in the direction of that market until the market breaks out of this our trend line, right, on a daily time frame or 4 hours time frame and retests. If it breaks out on our trend line and retests, that's when you look for buy opportunity. Like for instance, here was a minor. There would have been a opportunity for one to buy a short buy. How? Look at it here. I'll go to 4 hours time frame. All right. So I missed this trade myself, and I'm not happy that I missed that trade. Okay. So the market, this was a trend line, a short trend, a trend from here. So I drew this trend line. I was expecting this market to break out of this place and retest, so that I can buy from here. Maybe probably buy from here and take a short buy. Not this kind of buy is not a long buy because you know that overall trend of the market is a downtrend. So you don't look for long buys, but this is how you trade. You look for market direction. All right, so this market is going to come to this place. Hopefully it will get to this particular trend line. Right, it may get to that place. If market get to that place, what we'll do is to draw another trend line. So let me delete this. So I'm going to be drawing another trend line to look for sell opportunities. Okay, all right, so this is what I'm going to be drawing this trend line. You're not going to sell just because market gets to this trend line. Sometimes if you sell, the market will first of all take you out. If you take you out, it will even go up. Look as if it's going to going to the upside, but it's not going to the upside, just to take it out. So what you do is, even if you have a trend line drawn like this, right, you allow the market to break out of this particular trend line. After you go to lower time for like 1 hour or 30 minutes, even 15 minutes to last. If that one is a lower time frame confirmation. All right, so now even if I have to sell, because market, even if I have to sell, if when the market gets to this my trend line, I will not sell just like that because it gets to this trend line. I have to sell if it breaks out of this particular trend, this trend that is moving, this short trend line. Now if it breaks out of this trend line, that's when I would look for sell opportunity, because selling here because the market gets to this trend line is not the right way of trading. It may break it out, take your stop loss before going. So you need to wait for the market to get to this trend line. First of all, let it get to the trend line, and then let it give you a new market structure. So it means that it has to break out of this one that is forming. This is a buy trend line forming. Let it break out of this buy trend line that is forming and retest before you look for sell opportunity, even if you know that obviously the market is a downtrend. So guys, I hope this short video helps you. What you need to do, just to look for market on a higher time frame to see the overall direction. When I say higher time frame like 4 hours daily time frame, these are higher time frames. Look at the direction of the time of the market and then trade in that direction. If it is a buy market, if the market is doing higher high and higher lows in the buy market, you look for buy opportunities. If it is doing lower lows and lower highs and lower lows, you look for sell opportunities using this trend line strategy. So I'm going to be teaching more. I'm going to be teaching you other strategy like support and resistance, all right, to trade this market. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Join the La Prince World Academy. Create your account right now with Deriv with the link on the bio. Now get started now. Join our Telegram channel. All right guys, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.